Hello students. Yesterday in my previous channel we have already started the lesson Flying Together. Today we will try to do the exercise given at page number 33, and these questions are meant for comprehension. Students, question 1 is there. Where did the geese live? Geese कहाँ रहते थे? Where did the geese live? Geese कहाँ रहते थे? Given at the first page. The geese lived in a forest. The geese live in a forest. Students, I am just explaining the answer, and side by side I shall be sending you answers through WhatsApp message. Okay, so you need not worry about it. Look at question number 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? You know, the old bird was wise. He advised them to destroy it. What was the reason? Because with the help of the creeper, any person, especially hunter or anyone, could climb the tree and kill them or harm them in any kind of harm. Why did the geese cry, help, help? Now the answer is very simple. Answer is very simple. You can get the answer. It is given there at page number 31. Paragraph first. In the evening the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. Now, why did the geese cry help, help? Answer is very simple. The geese cried help, help because they were trapped into the hunter's net. Now question number 4. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? हंटर ने क्या किया जब उसने सोचा कि जो गीज है मर चुके हैं? अगेन आंसर इज सिंपल. बिकॉज द हंटर वुड नॉट टेक द डेड बर्ड्स. द हंटर थ्रू द बर्ड्स वन बाय वन ऑन द ग्राउंड. फिफ्थ वन. व्हाई डिड द गीज प्रिटेंड टू बी डेड? Why did the geese pretend? Pretend माने होता है बहाना करना. उन्होंने क्यों बहाना किया कि वो सब मर गए हैं? This was the advice given by old geese to them, because the hunter would not harm the dead birds or take them with him. That's why they pretended to be dead. Question number 6, students. You can try yourself. I am giving you for homework. Describe one incident when you got into the trouble because you did not do your work on time. On time. Every work, when it is given, there is a time limit. That's already finished. When you don't do it, naturally you are going to suffer in some way or the other. Now next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Against each sentence you have to write the word either true or false. Remember, you have to write this true or false based on the comprehension of the story. The tree was the house of a flock of parrots. False, because it was the flock of geese. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. True. Third one. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. False. You know, the hunter climbed the tree with the help of the creeper, not ladder. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. This sentence is true. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Again, this sentence is true, because with the help of the wise old bird only life of birds were saved, geese were saved. So against the sentence you have to write true. So this exercise is completed, students. Now we come to page number 35. Work in pairs. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. Use question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. One is done for you. Already answers are given. You are supposed to frame questions. आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है. आंसर यहाँ पर पहले से दिया हुआ है. The dialogue is between two students, Anu and Amit. I watched TV in the evening. Now make question in such a way that you get the answer. Now Amit is here. When do you watch TV? The answer is in the evening. Next one. I play games. Now frame questions. How do you recreate yourself? Question asks, how do you recreate yourself? Next one. I collect stamps. This is the answer. So what question can be asked by Amit? What is your hobby? Very simple. You select what from the given list above. What is your hobby? And the answer will be I collect stamps. Next one. I play in the ground. Ground is place. So you can ask question where? Where do you play? Sentence complete. Where do you play? Answer is I play in the ground. On Sunday I go shopping. You can ask question when do you go shopping? When do you go shopping? Answer comes on Sunday I go shopping. Now look at the question number 2. Answer these questions about yourself. Students, questions are very simple. You can try it yourself. Even now I can give you a hint. What is your name? You can write it easily. Second one, what languages do you speak? I speak Hindi, English. You can add other language also if you know. I speak Hindi, English, and you can add any language which you are able to speak. How old are you? Very simple. I am 10 years old, 11 years old. Which is your favorite food? Here you can write name of your food which you like most. Where did you go yesterday? See, the sentence is given in past tense. Where did you go yesterday? कल तुम कहाँ गए थे? Now while giving the answer, the verb will be written in past tense. The verb is go. Now past tense of go is went. I went to the market yesterday. You can write any other place also. I went to the market yesterday. I went to the temple yesterday. I went to my friend's house yesterday. All answers are correct. Which country do you belong to? Again answer simple. I belong to India. Which country do you belong to? While giving the answer you have to use word I. I belong to India. Next one. When do you go to sleep? Here again answer is simple. The time when you go to bed at night, it may be 9 p.m, 8:30 p.m, 8:30, 9:30, or even 10 p.m. So you can answer I go to sleep at 9:30 or 9 p.m. Why do you drink milk? Why? Question is क्यों? Why माने क्यों? दूध क्यों पीते हो? हम लोग दूध क्यों पीते हैं? दूध हम लोग पीते हैं मजबूत बनने के लिए, स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा होता है. So you can write the answer. I drink milk to grow and strong. I drink milk to grow and strong, or to remain healthy and strong. That is also the correct answer. Okay students, this is enough. This chapter. Now next day I shall be before you with new video, new chapter. Thank you.